Assalamu alaikum. Eid Mubarak, brother.
Walaikum assalam. Eid Mubarak, sir. Welcome to my vegetable shop. What can I do for you? Can I get pleasure to help you, sir?
Actually, I need some vegetable.
Oh, I see. There are many types of vegetable in my shop. What kinds of vegetable would you like to buy, sir?
I need 1 kilo tomato and 1 dozen lemon. Is this fresh?
Of course, sir. 100% fresh. Only this morning I have collected these items.
Are you truthful?
Why not, sir? You can easily trust me. Many people buy vegetable from me. I sell everyday vegetable here. Till now, no one has been cheated, sir.
Oh, I see. You are a good person. By the way, how much is 1 kilo tomato and 1 dozen lemon?
Don't worry about the price. I will give you a special discount. You are an educated person. 1 kilo tomato is 100 taka and 1 dozen lemon is also 100 taka, sir.
Okay, please give me 1 kilo tomato and 1 dozen lemons.
Okay, just a minute, sir. Here you are, sir.
Okay, thank you. Take your money.
Thank you, sir. Come again, sir.
See you.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.